Today's review is the pair of Evo Lancer 9 from MC64. I purchased this pair from Diecast Toyz Singapore. You can always check out their store link below. The Rally Art Evo is the Singapore exclusive, while below is the Evo that comes in metallic red. I also did a review for the Malaysia exclusive. If you missed the video, you can always click on the card above. And now let's take a closer look at the Singapore exclusive Rally Art Evo Lancer 9. It comes in the standard tarmac texture sleeve with the Rally Art logo. While this Singapore exclusive also comes with a serial number, limited to 600 pieces. I think it's a low production number. And 17 is a very nice and low number, which is definitely a collectible. Just like the Malaysia exclusive variant, the details are fantastic. You can see a lot of time has been invested into this casting, and it's make it truly worthwhile. Wow, this Evo 9 is really a stunner, just like the real thing. The details are top notch with quality workmanship. Too bad the wheels doesn't roll, if not it will be 100% perfect. But otherwise, all the details are super awesome and looks just like the real thing. Next is the Evo Lancer 9 in metallic red. Wow, it's also limited to 600 pieces. That's a low number count, which is great. The metallic red body paint is stunning. I really like the carbon hood, it really dialed up all the details. The overall presentation of this Evo 9 is great with quality finishing. I really like it. With such details, this casting without doubt will look very nice in diecast photography. I can see MC64 invested a lot of effort into detailings without any QC issues, and that's great. This pair of Evo Lancer 9 looks very compatible and definitely packs a punch of details. Stay tuned to more MC64 features, and remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone, bye!